All right. Good morning, folks. This is Sunday, the 22nd, and we're going to run my electric from the meter over there where Gary's going all the way over to here to where I can plug it in. Now let me show you what I've got. This is a 30 amp receptacle I put on the outside of this cabin. This is wired directly to the service panel inside. And we got this pigtail on here so I can run my solar. This is from my inverter. Then I have this one is from my generator. So if I don't have enough solar, I need to run the air conditioner all night or something, I can unplug this, plug in the generator. So I've only been sending 20 amps to the cabin. I'm getting ready to send 30 amps to it now. So that's all I'll need. And I only need 10-2 wire to carry the 30 amps. So this is 10 sticks of the conduit I bought off the guy. I mean, 40 bucks for all that was in there. This stuff is $10 a stick, $12 a stick. But we're going to try to put it in all that because I am getting an excavator and I'm going to trench down and bury this. So we're going to go ahead and stick this part of it in the conduit while we're doing it. Then I can unplug down there because I don't have everything I need for it. But all it's going to be down here is just a plug on the end of it. I'm not going to wire it into the panel yet. If the power goes out or I have a problem, this allows me to plug in my generator or plug my solar back in and be done with it. So that's the plan. Let's see how we do it. Well, I was trying to go around humps or stumps. So now I see how easy that was? That's perfect on this end. That's my solar wire now. Just be careful. So one end of this wire is going to plug into a 30 amp breaker in that box back there. This end of the wire, this is going to go on the end of it. This is a 30 amp plug, NEMA lock. So we'll make that way I can just plug it right into the back of the wall and we're good to go. That's how simple this should be. We'll find out. See, now the problem we have, folks, is I got my fancy little electrician's pouch and I was getting all my tools. Gary said, well, I brought my electrician's pouch. And, yeah, okay then. I don't need mine. All right. We're going to put the plug on now. This has a gold screw for the black wire, a silver screw for the neutral wire, and a green screw for the ground. That's all that's involved in this. So we will strip the ends, put the screws in here. Well, this collar is going to have to go on it first. That has to come up through here.
Yep.
So let me have this. I'm going to feed it through here first, because then this is going to screw onto it once we get everything hooked up.
Let's see how much.
So the black one is going to go in here. And tighten that down. See that? I like this kind because I didn't need to bend them.
Yep.
And then the white one will go in the silver. There's the silver screw head. So, man, I hate 10 gauge wire. Alright. So I bent the wires a little bit so they could all go in simultaneously. And now I'll screw it all down. So there's our plug.
The ones on the side.
Yep. See how it twisted that? Now I can do these. This is so, well, that's tight as it goes.
Guess we need some shims.
Yeah. Nah. But anyway, there's our plug we need. That will go. I hope that's female.
Pull it off and see.
I guess I ought to see. Hold that.
Oops. Here, I'll take it apart.
Well, wait a minute.
Do you have a female?
Yeah, I have a female. Damn it. See, I should have looked before I did this. What a dumbass. So that's how you put a male end on.
Now we'll show you how to do a female.
Yeah, now we'll do the female. This is the female version that we're going to put on now. We just had to practice with the male. And of course, this breaker panel, this is my disconnect, 200 amp disconnect. That'll turn everything on. That'll turn everything off. Everything from this point. But inside here,
Just in case.
you know what? I dropped one inside this. We heard it go all the way down and roll across. So if I take this one out
Hold it.
and put that in my pocket, aha! We have room here for, yeah, when I do the 100 watts or 200 amp, go in that direction and just go right in here. In these lugs, I don't need the 100 amp breaker. Okay, this is going to go on. It's going to gonna go right there. This is a double pole breaker. So I got two 30 amp breakers. I'm only gonna use one to go to the cabin. I'm gonna use the other one to put a 30 amp receptacle right over there, where if somebody wants to come and visit and has their camper or whatever, they'll be able to plug it in over there. And they can park right along this area I'm clearing out. So the hot will go on here. The neutral and the ground will go in this bus bar, which makes it pretty easy. That still leaves me 2 spots open if I wanted to add 120 down here or something.
You cut these shorter. Let's
Yeah.
do the black
Well,
one. Do the black one first.
yeah.
Cut
I
those.
want to. There you go. All right. Where'd the screw go?
In your pocket.
All right, so now, boy, look at the glare. You guys probably didn't get to see shit. They put my meter in and energized this. I turn on these, that turns on the whole 200 amps. I turn on these 30 amp breakers. And guess what? My cabin has power. That simple. That easy to do. And I've still got 4 spaces here. Now the wire I'm going to run to the cabin or to the house and the barn will come off the main lugs because I got 224 wire. It won't be on its own breaker, but I'll be able to kill it from here. That's the idea of this disconnect. Once I turn this off, everything from this point on is shut off. So it's an easy way to do it. And there we have electric for the cabin. Anything else to say?
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's how simple it is. Now I just got to get my conduit pieces. And once I get my conduit set up, then obviously I'm going to take these wires out. I can cut them shorter, get them to length because I got to staple them along these posts here. And yeah, we'll be good to go. Hope you all enjoyed that. Getting power to the off-grid cabin. I'm out.